Okay, welcome. How to stop or disable Windows 11 updates, right? Go to the search and search for services, right? And this is services, right? Or you can also press Windows key plus R, right, to get run, and you can type services.msc, right? Then okay, you'll get this screen. Then go to Windows Update here, you will get it here, Windows Update, right click, properties, right? So initially it might be in automatic or in manual like this, right? So this might be an initial situation, right? So do stop and then go here and disable, then apply, then do OK, right? In this way you can stop, right? But it is better not to stop the Windows update, right? Remember that. Okay, thank you very much for watching.